Trust funding is a fairly simple concept. It's the concept of transferring assets into the trust. But it's often an overlooked process, particularly when dealing with revocable trusts, sometimes called living trusts. A lot of estate plans include a pour-over will and a revocable living trust. And what sometimes gets overlooked is transferring assets into the trust during your lifetime. So, for example, if you have that type of estate plan and never bothered to go through the trust funding process, at your death, all of the assets that you own are still in your individual name and they become probate assets. And usually one of the key points of a revocable trust is to avoid probate, so that sort of defeats the purpose. So trust funding is very important. It typically involves contacting your financial institution, letting them know that the new owner of the account is the revocable trust. Sometimes in the case of real estate, you may need a deed to transfer the property into the trust. And if you have retirement accounts that you'd like to become part of the trust at your death, you'll need to fill out a beneficiary designation to make sure that your trust is named as the beneficiary of the account.